Hello students, today we have to discuss here medians of a triangle or median of a triangle, how to draw the median of triangle and what is meant by the median of triangle we will discuss here. In previous video we had already learned that what is meant by the altitude of a triangle and how to draw it. Okay, so now we will start here what is meant by the median of a triangle. So when we talk about the median of triangle, the segment joining the vertex and the midpoint of a opposite side is called as the median of triangle. Okay, midpoint means what? Suppose AC is the side of the triangle, AC. Okay, so we have to divide this AC side into two equal parts. That means suppose D is there, D is the midpoint. That means this side AD is equal to CD. That means these two sides are equal. Suppose this is 2 centimeter, then it is also the 2 centimeter. So therefore D is the midpoint of that. Okay. So what is meant by the median? The segment joining the vertex and the midpoint of the opposite side is called as the median. Listen here. This one is the triangle ABC. Okay. In triangle ABC, consider a vertex B. How many vertices are there? A, B and C. There are 3 vertices when we consider this triangle. Okay. So consider vertex B here and draw the one line which meets the midpoint of the AC. What is the midpoint of AC? That is D. So we have to join this line BD. Okay. So this BD is called as the median of the side. Yes, median of the side AC. Okay, median of the side AC. Listen here. What is the in triangle ABC? D is the midpoint. What? D is the midpoint of side AC. Therefore, segment BD is the median. Therefore, segment BD is the median of that triangle. Clear? Now, listen here. We have to consider another triangle. Suppose this one is the triangle PQR. Okay, and this QR, suppose this one is the midpoint. That means this side and this side is equal. Suppose this is A. So midpoint of QR is A. And next we have to join this one. PA. So PA is the median of this triangle. Okay. This is the median of this triangle. So now to draw the median of a triangle, we have to follow these steps. First of all, we have to draw triangle ABC. Okay, we have to draw here triangle one, that is ABC. So I want to use here one scale. With the help of this one, we have to draw the triangle ABC. Okay, this is a triangle ABC. We have to complete first step. Okay, now find the midpoint P of side AB. That means we have to find out the midpoint of AB here. Okay, we have to find out midpoint of AB. So by using the compass, how to find the midpoint? We have to take the compass and take the measurement half more and the half. Means we have to take like this. Okay, measurement. This is the half. Suppose randomly we have to take this half. So we have to take somewhat more and draw here one arc. Okay, and same compass one knock take put here and then draw here. Clear? So do not change the measurement of this compass and take the point one knock of this one and draw one arc here and here. Clear? And same measurement, with the same measurement we have to cross this arc. Okay, that means we have to get here 2 points. This one is 1 point and this one is another point. Okay, and then draw the line. Draw the line. Okay, so this point is the midpoint of AB. This point is midpoint of AB, which is name it as point P. So this is P. Clear? How to find out the midpoint? Now draw the segment CP. That means we have to draw the CP. So I want to use here. We have to draw the CP. Clear? So this CP is the one median of this triangle. Okay. Now next we have to complete this step. Now next find the midpoint Q of side BC. BC of side BC we have to find out the midpoint. So same process apply here. So what we have to do here? First of all take the compass. Now next we have to take the measurement more than half like this and draw the arc. And put the one knock of compass here and draw the arc upside and downside also without changing the measurement. Cross this arc. Okay, then we have to get the 2 points here. This one is one and this one is another. Then draw the line. Draw the line. Okay, so this one is the midpoint of BC. This one is what? Midpoint of BC, which is named as Q. Which is named as Q here. And then next one is what? Draw AQ. We have to draw here AQ. We have to draw here AQ. This is Q. Clear? So we have to done here step number 3 also. Then this one is the find the midpoint R on side AC. You have to consider AC and then find out the midpoint of it. Take more than the half of this one and cross off without changing the measurement. You have to draw one arc here, cross this and cross this. Okay, so we have to get the 2 points. This one is the first, this one is the second. Okay, and then draw the line. Okay, and then this point is called as the midpoint of AC, which is named as R. Then draw the BR. BR. Okay, clear up to this point? Now next one, so next one is what? We have to get the 3 altitudes, that is AQ, CP, BR. What we have to get here? That is 3 altitudes we have to get here. So what we have to write? Segment, this is your note, segment PC, this one PC, segment QA and segment RB are the medians of triangle ABC. These are the 3 medians of this triangle. Now listen here, these 3 medians join one single point here. Okay, so what we have to write? So next note, this is your first, this is your second. The medians are concurrent. Okay, the medians are concurrent. Okay, their point of concurrence is called as this one. This medians is concurrent means what? These three medians join a single point, and this point is called, therefore called as a concurrent, and then this point is called as the centroid. Okay, what we have to write? Third one, their point of concurrence, their point of concurrence is called centroid. And it is denoted as capital G. Okay, which is denoted as capital G. Okay, that means this point is the centroid, and this is denoted as capital G. This one is what? This is a centroid. Centroid is the point which passes the three altitudes of the triangle. So this is the basic idea related to the medians of the triangle. Okay, how to draw the median of triangles. Okay, so in this way we have to complete here the basic idea related to the median of triangle. In next video we will talk about the median of triangle of different types. That means we have to consider the right angle triangle, acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle. Okay, actually this one is what? This one is the acute angle triangle. So this what? The centroid of this acute angle triangle is the inside of the triangle. Okay, when we study altitude of a triangle, the altitude of the triangle, the point, that is we have to consider the orthocenter. Okay, so we have to already learn that the positions of orthocenter when we talk about the three different types of the triangles. Okay, so when we consider the acute angle triangle, the orthocenter is in the inside. When right angle triangle, the orthocenter is the angle which forms the 90-degree. And then when we talk about the obtuse angle triangle, the orthocenter is the outside the triangle. So similarly, we will discuss the centroid, positions of the centroid with the different types of the triangles, but this part we will continue in next video. So I hope you have to understand this one. This is only the basic idea related to that. What is meant by the median of triangle and how to draw the median of triangle. Okay. So now we have to stop here. In next video, we'll discuss about the positions of centroid of different types of triangle. Thank you, students. I hope you have to understand this one. So please like it, subscribe it, and share to your friends. Thank you.